it is not crab, but it's not fish. The elusive churro ear headband. Good morning. So let's see. Earlier today, had breakfast at the hotel, and we filled up at a gas station in Santa Ana, I think, near the airport, because we're gonna drop the car rental off. And the rest of the days we're just gonna be at Disneyland, so we don't need a car rental. But I'm trying to figure out if next time I need to take the car rental for longer, so I don't have to Uber back and forth. But we'll find out for the rest of the trip, because that's how we're getting to the airport, is through rideshare. Alrighty, let's check out this Whole Foods. We're on our way to the laundry. Today is washing day, so it has washers and dryers. So we're gonna get some laundry. If you've watched my fave travel items, you'll know how much I love these laundry sheets, because I love the fact that you don't have to have it checked into your quart-size liquids bag. I'll leave a link in the cards to that video. Inside the black magnetic strip of the credit card facing down left side. It was so challenging for me to try to figure out these machines. I didn't realize that there were two credit card inserts on either side of the dryer, but eventually I got it. So it looks like it's $4 for dry and $4 for wash. We're heading out. We dropped off the car and I had a scare. I didn't know where my phone was. I accidentally left it in the car. Don't do that. Make sure you check the obvious place for the phone. But we're heading to downtown Disney. I have to do some returns, and then we're gonna get some food at, I think the plan is Craftsman Grill right now. So let's go. We are through security. It's 4:10, and we're in the downtown Disney Esplanade area. There's DCA and Disneyland. We're gonna be there tomorrow and the next day, so I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Haunted Mansion tomorrow's the last day, and they said, you know how it is on the last day before a ride, goes through a temporary closure or like a permanent closure. It's crazy. So we're gonna try to get Genie Plus, and hopefully that we can save ourselves some time from having to spend a huge amount of the day in line. So that should be fun. But yeah. Next up is Craftsman Grill inside Grand Californian Hotel. When you get to the Craftsman Grill, walk all the way to the back and to the right, and you order your food with the register. Okay, let's try this poke bowl. So there's tuna, edamame, seaweed salad, avocados, some cucumbers. There's red cabbage in here, and then there's rice in the middle. And then imitation crab. My mom just informed me that imitation crab is, it is not crab, but it's not fish. Right? Did I just confuse everybody? So now I like it again. First impression, this is delicious. Ever since I started eating more healthy, I never wanted to eat bad tasting healthy food because I still love my hamburgers and everything. So the definition of imitation crab, according to Google, is it's made with surimi, a paste made out of finely shredded or pulverized fish. Thank you, Mom. So there's your lesson for today if you didn't know, like I didn't know. But it's very fresh tasting, and I love the mixture of different flavors. This is a must buy. I first saw this on Theme Park Obsession's video, was highlighting this meal at Craftsman Grill. This is very delicious. This is a hit for me. The elusive churro ear headband. It's at a... We've been in DCA and World of Disney and I haven't seen these. Oh, they're so shiny. I don't love this, to be honest.
Look at these ears.
I kind of wish that was not shiny, but I love this. Okay, let me find a good one. So I ended up finding these at the pin cart in downtown Disney.